So guys, I've completed this sales page. As you can see, we have our logo here, we have everything. This is what we have. Let's take a look. Here's the price. So this price, you can just, what I used here is that list, the same list we used here, this one. So I just change the background, make it better look, bring everything to the center and all that. Then that's what I added a button. This is a button. Just come here, get this a button, then you add a button and then style it. You see, this is the button. Then you style it, you make it default, you can change the default color, then come to style, and then however you want it. If you want it to spread, come to the middle, you bring it to the middle, then you can edit it, different ways. So you can just style it however you want it and get it to look exactly how you want it to look. And guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this template. I'm going to give you this template because that's what we did. I just copied the templates from this site. I just copied the entire template from this site and then brought it to this our own site here. Look at it, everything. So I'm just going to drop the template. So you just uh download the templates and then upload it to your site and then edit it to however you want it. So this is the one I imported. You can see it comes with the other website's logo. So I just clicked here to change the image to become our own logo and everything here. So this is amazing. Now this part contains the timer. Now we want to give our customers a sense of urgency. This is the timer. As you can see here, look, this is how it looks here. So this is how it looks here. It's just the timer telling them to buy it. You have just 0 days to buy and all that. So but here it is not there. So because it's a paid feature, so it is not there. What we're going to do is to remove it. But we can add something else that looks like that. So let's come here and see. So there's something else we can add. Let's add count. Look at this counter. So we can add the counter in the two side. So we can just duplicate it, make it two. Great. So we have two counters. We want it to count from, let's set the counter. We want this one to count from 1 to 339. Great. Then this text should be pieces. Pieces sold this month. All right, good. Then this is going to be how many? We want it to be 67. Then here we want to have it as pieces sold today. So here the customer is seeing how many we've sold this month and how many we've sold today. So is there any prefix? No, we just want them to see the numbers and that's all. Okay, everything here is looking good. Maybe we just want to change the, so everything looks good. We'll have our testimony and then we'll have the order form. We're going to put the order form when we design our order form. All right. So I want to just put it here. Just paste it. Great. So we'll have it as this and then let's publish. I think everything here looks good. Then we're going to hit on publish.